We're going to show you how to create a page in DNN. We're not going to go thoroughly over every single page setting though, but you'll know the essentials on how to get started. First, log in with a user account that has appropriate permissions. You'll know if you do because you'll have the persona bar on the left side. Next, go to the Content menu and choose Pages. When this loads, you'll see a listing of pages that already exist on the website, as well as some options up above, and then an editing area on the right side. If you have a lot of pages on your site, you can also search for a specific page. We're going to add a page by clicking the Add Page button. Next, we're going to give it a name. The name is what's going to be shown in the navigation, as well as on the left side in this particular pages view. The title is what people are going to see in search results and on tabs when the page is loaded inside of a web browser. As you can see, it might be useful to include some search engine optimization when you type out your title. There's of course description and keywords, and you'd want to fill those out as well. If you do not fill that out, they will be replaced by the site settings. Next is the parent page setting. We could choose a page for this to be nested beneath in the navigation, or we can just leave this as unspecified to be a top-level page. Next, we can decide whether or not it's displayed in the menu. If you don't display it in the menu, it can still be accessible by using a link or just directly navigating to the page. Finally, there's a template setting that allows you to choose a predefined template to use or choose none specified to have an empty page created. The default template will add an HTML module to the page. Next is permissions. You'll probably already know who you want to have visit the page or able to see the page and edit the page before coming here. In most cases, your page will need to be visible to all users, but there are many different scenarios that you can choose to create using the permission system. In general, it's frowned upon to use the permissions by user. We'll go over that in a different video. In the Advanced tab, we can choose a different theme to use and layout and container for the various modules on the page. We're going to leave them at the default for right now. Under SEO, we can choose to change the sitemap priority for the page. If this is a public page, it's always a good idea to leave indexing on. Finally, under the More section under the Advanced tab, we can set whether or not this is a secure page, and does this need to be disabled. A disabled page creates something of an anchor in the navigation system. We'll go over that in a different video later. Then finally, the caching. You can choose how you wish for the information on the page to be cached. This is generally something that you'll decide later, and we'll have another video specific to performance and caching. Now that we've set all the settings, let's just click Add Page. Now the page has been created, we can see it in the navigation up top since it's a top-level navigation page and it doesn't have a parent page. And now we can begin editing the page and the content on it. Now we've created our page, we added some content, and now we can send this page to various people and it's available on our website. That's how easy it is.